Visit the Unimec website and click on the CAD and 3D Parts section, located about halfway down the page. Once in the section, select the language in which you wish to view the content. Then choose the product for which you want to download the CAD models. Select the model you are interested in, choose the size you need, and click on the product icon within the row you have selected. Now set the features that the product should have, then click on Update Preview within the box on the right. The model of the selected product with the chosen features will appear. You can enlarge, shrink, and move it with your mouse to view the front, back, and sides. Now select Generate CAD from the top left menu above the image and wait for the model to be generated. Once the model is ready, simply select Download and it will be downloaded to your device's download folder.